Hello everyone, I'm Vinicius Ferrero, and today we're going to talk about AI Link, which is a platform by Nuls AI that allows you to train an artificial intelligence agent to interact on social media. You can train this agent to help you with content creation on X, or even train it to become 100% autonomous and dedicate a page exclusively to it. It's worth noting that this platform is completely free, and all you need is a Naybox wallet to connect and link a Twitter account, either your own or one created just for this purpose. If you don't have a Naybox wallet on your PC yet, don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description along with a video showing how to create yours. This will be a short video because I just want to introduce the platform to you and explain how it works. The site is ailink.nulsai.com, but I'll leave it in the description to make it easier for you. After accessing the link, you'll connect your wallet in the upper right corner, click Connect, and then click the central button. After that, you'll be redirected to the agent creation page. I've already created an agent for testing, but to create one, just click on the Create New Agent button and fill in the agent's information. This includes uploading a profile logo, choosing a name, writing a description for the agent, providing a website or social media link if you have one, selecting a personality trait such as kind, caring, logical, analytical, creative, free-spirited, among others. Lastly, choose the agent's language. Once your agent is created, it will be linked to your wallet and will appear every time you log into the platform and click the button. By clicking on it, you can edit the agent's profile if you wish. Now let's talk about the settings section. On the left side under Social Media Management, click on the Settings option. As you can see, these are the X settings. So you'll need to connect your X account by clicking the available button to link it. To start, I recommend that you use a test X account for your agent. That way, you can fine-tune the posts and understand how it works before connecting your main X account. If you look closely, you'll also see Discord and Telegram logos, which will soon be implemented so you can automate interactions on those platforms as well. Well, after connecting and linking to your X page, you'll gain access to all the platform's functions. For example, the first option called Add Tweet allows the agent to automatically create and publish a tweet based on specific keywords or based on someone else's tweet. The second option allows it to automatically post a reply as soon as a tracked account publishes something. In other words, the agent responds automatically. However, you can also control the replies by enabling this other feature below. Basically, this setting requires you to review every tweet and comment the agent generates. That means you can review and approve content before it gets published. I enabled all the options, including monitoring my agent to see what it's doing so I can approve or reject posts. Further down, you can enter the profiles you want to track. For example, if you're creating a Web3 gaming profile, you can enter gaming accounts here so the agent can track them, comment, interact, or even create new tweets based on the information from those profiles. To add a profile, simply click Add, enter the profile's username, and click Save. Currently, it's possible to track up to 10 different profiles, so be sure to choose the ones whose content is most relevant for your AI agent to work with. Scrolling down a bit, we find more advanced settings that help personalize your AI agent. Here at the top, you select what you want to configure, such as how the agent will respond to tracked tweets, how it will create a tweet based on another tweet, or how it will respond to comments on your own tweets. So it's possible to configure each action and even tweets generated from keywords. I'll give an example using the option Create a tweet based on another tweet. Basically, the agent will analyze a tweet's content and create a new tweet in a different format to post on your profile. Below that, you can select and write some rules so the agent performs the task the way you want. For example, the first and second rules are about limiting the number of characters the agent can use, since there's a character limit if your profile isn't premium. The third rule ensures that tweets are written using different adjectives, verbs, and adverbs from the original to create a fresh tone. Rule 4 is about adding emojis to the tweets that are created. The final rule instructs the agent to use informal language so that the tweets don't sound robotic. You can even include examples of tweets you used to make so the agent learns and follows a similar style. So just configure everything your way and save. Keep in mind that you can set rules for different actions, and each action can have its own specific rules. Now let's move on to the more active part of this product. In the tweet list section, all the tweets, comments, and replies created by the agent are listed for you to approve. As I mentioned earlier, if you enable the approval requirement, content will not be published automatically and will appear in this section for you to decide whether to publish it, edit something, or simply delete it. So just review whether the agent's behavior makes sense and adjust it accordingly. As an example, I deleted several posts like this one where it was asking a question. But if I agree with a post, I just click on it to edit or approve it directly. Some posts have already been approved by me. Like this one where the agent commented about some games migrating to the Somnia blockchain. That was a really interesting comment, so I decided to approve it. Someone has even commented on that post already. In the beginning, it's ideal for you to have control over approving or deleting posts your agent creates. Once your settings and configurations are well refined, you can remove the approval requirement and let the agent post autonomously. Still within the platform, there's the ADD tweets section, which allows you to create tweets based on a specific link. Here, tweets are created using up to 5 keywords. Just enter them in this field, separating them with commas. The second option is for replying to tweets, where in the first line you enter a command, and in the second line the link of the tweet you want to respond to. The third option allows you to create a tweet based on another tweet. Just paste the link of the tweet here, and a new tweet will be created based on the rules you've set in the settings section. For example, I wrote Web3 games and play to earn, click the create button, and then confirm. After doing that, in the tweet list, the agent created this tweet for me related to Web3 games and play to earn. I thought it was a bit generic because I only provided 2 keywords as an example for the post creation. I must admit that I really liked this platform and found it very useful. But I still need to train my AI agent better, create better rules, and guide my content more precisely. All the necessary links will be in the description. If you enjoyed this video, I invite you to leave a like below, subscribe to the channel and also activate the notification bell to make sure you don't miss the next content, the next opportunities and the next tools I'll be bringing to you. That's it for now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.